There was this poet called Dushyant Kumar who started, or I might not have started it, but he became the kind of a grandfather, the Purodha as we call it, of Hindi ghazal in India. He died in 1975, did not live very long if I remember correctly, but he had a very thin book. He had written other books also. But there's a very thin book. You can easily get it and keep it anywhere. You can even keep it in your pocket. It's called Saaye Mein Dhoop. I still have it. I got it from someone almost 30 years ago. It's got some 40-50 ghazals, that's it. And each ghazal is one page. So probably 50-60 pages. But each ghazal, each couplet has become legendary. I mean, one couplet alone, हो गई है पीर पर्वत सी पिघलनी चाहिए, इस हिमालय से कोई गंगा निकलनी चाहिए, मेरे सीने में नहीं तो तेरे सीने में सही, हो कहीं भी आग लेकिन आग जलनी चाहिए. In the Indian Parliament, this must have been quoted at least 150 times over the last 50 years, 60 years. In an apt way, his poetry came around the time of the emergency, and therefore, during emergency, a lot of poetry was shared. After that also, a lot of poetry was shared in the Parliament. But even outside the Parliament, तू कोई रेल सी गुजरती है मैं किसी पुल सा थरथराता हूँ. This was not Varun Grover. This was a line of Dushyant Kumar that was used by Varun Grover, and the rest of the lyrics is his own. So this is called doffing a hat to a known poetry, like Majroo wrote with Faiz, तेरी आँखों के सिवा दुनिया में रखा क्या है. That is one line by Faiz. Rest of it is all by Majroo. So a lot of poets do that. Doffing the hat kind of a tradition is there. You take one line and you create the rest of it on your own. So one motivational couplet is almost legendary now. This is from the book Saaye Mein Dhoop. It's part of a ghazal, but I'm going to share only the couplet. कैसे आकाश में सुराख नहीं हो सकता. People say आसमान में. It's not आसमान. The meter will be violated if you say आसमान. कैसे आकाश में सुराख नहीं हो सकता, एक पत्थर तो तबीयत से उछालो यारो. What a beautiful couplet. Remember the film Shawshank Redemption? For 20 years, he's just going on tunneling with a very small hammer through that Rita Hayworth or whatever. I don't remember who the heroine was. There's a large poster in his cell, and he keeps on working on the escape plan. And finally, one day he escapes. कैसे आकाश में सुराख हो नहीं सकता, एक पत्थर तो तबीयत से उछालो यारो. Beautiful motivational couplet by Dushyant Kumar.